Well, I started doing an unboxing, but since I'm having problems with my gimbal mount, well, it seems to be working out, but I knew it needed to get charged and it wasn't balanced right, so it wasn't holding my camera right. I started taking this thing out of the box. I just got it today. Thought it was supposed to be here on Saturday, but it came early. I just hope everything is in here that I ordered with it. So it's the Relarlo AK917. I'm not gonna take it out of the box again. That's spoiled. I'm over it. Whatever. But I was just glad that it came early. Super excited. Been seeing a lot of videos of it with this case that it comes in, and this thing is really nice. I mean, this is a nice case. I mean, the case that's probably part of the biggest part of the price is this case because it's so nice. So I just want to open it up, check out everything in here. Let me see. Camera tilted down. I'm kind of in some confined space here because it's the best place to plug my camera up right now. I mean, the little mount that I got it on. Let's see. U-Sharp. Okay. Let's tilt it up on there. Let's see, and here we got the manual in here. Let's see, got a couple of tools, stickers. I guess this is the straps for the battery. And it's the red one that I got. Yes, carbon fiber. This little thing's got some weight to it. It really does have some weight to it, but this is sweet. Let's get that. Yeah, with the fan on. Clips out. Okay, yeah. It's the carbon fiber with the, I think it's the 160 amp ESC. 2S LiPo battery with XT60 connectors. Spare tire, all of the light kit. And as you know, on the inside of the body, they have the plugs for the fan and then 2 headlights. I see a lot of people, they disconnect the lights. They don't want to have the lights. I like the lights. I think it adds a lot of style to it, you know, especially when it all works together and it looks real cool. Because oh, and that's too what they said during shipping. These little exhaust lights might be broken, but these seem to be, everything seems to be together very well. So I'm highly satisfied at this, and I can't wait to get it running. I already have, you know, the X-Max, a sledge, 2 slashes, and a house. All trucks. Finally got a road car, 10 scale. It's pretty cool. I was really thinking about getting the Armor Infraction 6S. And I said, yeah, if I get it, but then I saw this thing and I'm like, okay, I see everybody doing, you know, getting it, and I see people drag racing it. I like it because, you know, you could race it, drag race it as far as that. You can do road courses, and I think what if you get drift tires and put those on here, this could be a decent drift car as far as with the size and the, you know, everything. It's got sway bars on it. It's nice thick foam bumper. I mean, just the quality and feel of it. I thought the carbon fiber chassis was going to be really thin, but it's pretty thick. I guess, I don't know how many millimeters. I can't eyeball that, but it's very decent. It's got nice substantial weight to it, and that's just padding. And here's the remote. They say it's like a jumbo RC remote. I don't know the difference, but it's got a nice feel to it. Oh, now that's not good. But I guess it's This just pops back on. I hope. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think this just pops back on. We'll figure it out. Yep, it just snaps back in. So it popped out somewhere along the line. You know, it's always something, but I'm just glad it came early, so I'll deal with this. I'll probably drop it between sometime on it. But not bad. I'm real happy with it. Glad it came early. And thanks for watching, everybody, for my little mini / unboxing horrible video. Thanks for watching. Up again, the Rolalo 917. I didn't get any special etching on the bottom of it. I guess that was for the first people that bought it. I'm way late to the game, but I've been looking to get into it, so got me a little 4-wheel drive, little zippy 1/10 scale car. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.